girl was the same age as us, their daughter. So she took us to a club, had a blast. But, it's gonna find out. So then she goes, I was like, I really want to see a close time since I go.
Defense up.
And then, the last day that we're there, we'll go. We can see who appetizers to and say and people that are attracting him at the book. At where Obama is.
Oh, damn it!
When I tell you me and my sister we can do dinner for $4 and get a drink and get food for $4.50. We got to go into the drink. Everything's like my friends.
Get back, go, get that. Space right there.
You ready, Mia?
Walk backwards. Percy, I need you to step up and in.
Speak, Mia.
Go ahead, Mia.
Try, Mia.
Away. Don't pull back there, please. Touch the space there, Nancy. Outside. Come on out here, ladies. We're not looking at this ball. We gotta stop him here. Good job, Cora. Stop him here. You're stepping up, Brianna.
Right there, Mia.
Yes. Oh,
Defense is allowed one shoot up behind. Hey, don't kick. Now stop back to the half, Brianna. Step back to the half. Come on, you. Lately.
Right there, Mia.
I think both of them.
Go
Go ahead, so. Oh, stop it!
You had me down one.
Good communication.
Nice.
Nice.
Good, so. Good job, so.
Is that the first year out? Go. 3 people, Alina. The option is, look up. She comes with you. Come on, someone's got to stop ball. Percy, not too much there. Come on.
Oh.
Because you have to watch. Hey,
Drop.
right? You're responsible for everything behind you.
Drop. Back towards our goal.
Come on, go.
Go, Mia, go.
Olivia, Joe, you got to open up for it.
Go ahead, Mia.
Player, right? Hey, Blakely and Olivia, standing next to each other doing the same job.
White throw.
You should be standing Blakely.
Is that white throw?
Tessa. Put your hat back on.
We're moving close to Mama.
Go, Sophie, go!
Start it, talk.
Go ahead, Sophie, go! Go ahead, Sophie! Come on, let out! Go ahead, Carla, get it, Carla.
Nancy, drop. Nancy, if you get the ball from her, you're under pressure right away. Drop. Nancy, drop. You don't need to be next to them. Let them get that ball. You get your balance and your shape. Nancy, that's the drop.
There we go. Good pass,
Good, Nancy. Remember, Mia, as soon as the ball gets played, you go to the last defender. Defenders, closer together and up further. Percy and Nancy, closer together and up further. Nancy, beat it. Sorry, Coach. Really? Go, Mia. Go to stretch. Move. Come on. Keep going up, Mia. Keep going up, Mia. I need you to go to the outside, Big. Talk to her, Big.
Stay with it. We're up for each other. There you
Up,
go.
Big.
Get it.
Talk, Fiona. Yeah, send it to an area.
You ready, little?
Sophia, one wide, Sophia. Your left. Careful, Mia. You're out there. Out where the ball is. Stella, press ball.
Nice. That's a block, way through.
White throw.
White throw.
White
Great
throw.
communication. Good job, girls.
Drop. Nancy, you gotta
Good
drop.
throw, Soph.
Olivia.
Get under me.
Go, Lee. Go to your man. Get there. Go back, Mike. Go back. Get to your spot. Pick it up. Emery, pick it up. Those open white players. Go back, Cabrera. You got a player on the line, Cabrera. On the side of them. You have to get back.
You ready, little?
Cabrera, control it.
Ooh, right there.
And again, Millie. And again, Millie.
Be there, Mia.
Dale.
Come on.
The outside.
Almost. Good try.
Cabrera, talk to her. It's between you three. Milani,
Come on, Mia.
back it up. Brianna, on this side. Alina, check your play behind it.
Esta está en el gol.
Lucy, Stella, Olivia. Olivia, top of box.
Buen compost, Mia.
Oh, good try, Alina. That's right, coach. The space on the corner kick.
Go ahead, Mia. Go ahead.
Oh, good try, Addie.
Stella, you gotta be out on the line.
Be there for the person.
Go ahead, Mia. Oh, good try, Mia. She tried. She tried.
Hey, Emery, move up. Move all the way to the top of the penalty box. And roll it out to a teammate, quickly. People, you got 6 seconds. No, it's gotta be red feet there, sweetie. Yep. Stella,
Turn around.
again, Emery, come on. Come on, feet. There you go. Stella, let's
Now
go.
you got it. Now you got it.
Mia, go.
Good try.
Hey, can you get Stella?
Turn around, little.
Can you get Stella?
Got 5 seconds. Be there, little.
Go ahead, Stove.
Talk, Mia, talk.
There, Millie, get that out.
Yes.
There we go, Addie. Woo!
Let's go, girl.
Go ahead, Stove.
Talk, Mia, talk.
There, Millie, get that out.
Yes.
There we go, Addie. Woo!
Let's go, girl.
Good job, girls.
Gonna make you broke.
Mia, make sure you're talking, Mia. Talk.
They got a little chemistry, her and Addie, right now.
Defender, if we lose the ball, hinge in towards each other, right? We got to stop ball and get it out to the outside, right? Can't be that wide. Lucy, you have one touch. You can't pull back and pass.
Black throw.
First,
All right, man, drop down, man. Go, go, go.
Go, Redhook! Go, go!
Go, May.
Go, baby! Nancy, up there.
Get it.
Be ready, Mia. Be ready. Call it, Mia. Call it. Right there, Mia.
Outside.
Right there.
Mia, go!
Oh.
She's there. She's where she needs to be. She's there.
quick, Cam.
Come on, Brianna.
Refs up.
I'm gonna have to get something else. When I won, it was before we came, then I did the foul, she was adamant to play. It's just been fun.
Talk, Olivia. Come on, Olivia. She doesn't know you.
Call it! Right there, Mia!
Mia, go! Oh, good try, Mia!
Nice try, Mia!
Quick, Emery, quick.
Come on, Emery, formation. Find your line. You gotta be more post mainly.
Get in there, get in there!
Go to your spot.
Oh,
Brianna, careful.
almost.
Turn around, Mia, turn around!
Throw it out. Well, I see what you're trying to do there, okay? But that's me. Ladies, move.
One of them is gonna shoot it in.
Get in there, Mia! Help her out! Call it!
Come on. All right, So, come on, So.
Good job. Forward.
Get up. Let's go. Up. Mercy up. Up. Keep going. Let them pass. Hey, let them pass. They're offside. Up. Down the line, please. 4 feet. There you go. Let's find Olivia. Olivia, we're talking. Come on, talk.
Call it, Mia, call it!
Now we're back.
Come on, baby. Help her out, Mia, help her out! Come on, babe.
Come on, Sophie. Yes,
Good job, lady!
Come on. Get this, So.
Nice.
Good pass, Sophie.
Go, Mia, go! Go!
Red, let's get back. Stella, back. Fiona, back. Hey, back. Lucy, back.
So who's gonna take it?
Free kick. So that means Milani. We have to pass it. Milani.
Get open,
You have to
Mia!
pass it.
Get open! Get open!
So Milani, Mia Cabrera talk to each other and see what's going to happen.
Get in there, little!
She wants to go away. He told her to go the other way. She did not listen.
Get in there, Mia!
He told her to pass it to
Redhook.
Where are you at? Top of the box, right? Top of the box.
The other Sophia. The tall one right there.
Get in there, little!
Go ahead, Eddie!
Mia's open right there, Mia!
Throw it, Em.
Because Mia's not talking, she's just...
Hard player. Maeve, get open. Back up. One big step. Lonnie, come on, drop back.
Right there, Mia, right there! Go, push!
Get there! Sophie, be open! No, that reminds me of the Wicked Figure. Sophia! Lily.
Hey, Tessa.
You did for the mistake, Mia. Get in there, little. Get in there, Mia. Go, Mia.
Go, Cora, go. Get that ball, Cora. Get that ball. Okay, white throw.
White throw.
It's coming to you, Sky. Don't
It'll
worry.
be open. All right, get ready, baby.
No line.
Call it, Mama.
Now.
Good job, Sophia.
Stay with it, so.
Right there, Mia. Get in there.
Go in.
Little.
Brown, make your way back now.
Go ahead, Sophie, run.
You got the goalie. You got the goalie. You got the goalie. Good job. Yes,
There we
girl.
go.
Come on.
Hey, arm throw.
Black throw, be ready.
Drop back, wide.
Drop back, drop back.
Hey, get open for her. Get open for her. Hey, Olivia. Daddy, drop back. Be lined up with the ball.
Right there. Call it, Mia. Call it.
Go ahead, Eddie.
Mia,
Go,
call
girl.
it.
Go,
Go,
girl.
go. Let
Oh,
out.
you gotta get
Call it, Mia.
contact, girl.
Go ahead, so.
14, watch
Go ahead,
those
so.
hands.
All right, white ball.
White throw.
Go ahead. You gonna throw
14.
it,
You
so?
know what you're doing, right? You're pushing off your hands.
Nancy, you gotta drop. Mia, stay high, Mia.
White throw.
You gonna throw it, so?
Call it, Mia.
Go ahead, Milani. All right, Bree.
I want you to train your whole body to kick it away. Be back. Yep. Watch the ball while you do it, though. You have to watch the ball. Nancy, pull the ball. Outside.
Right there, Mia.
Come on, Mia. Mia's open.
Again, Mia, again.
Come on, ladies. I want you to swing the ball around.
Come on, Milani.
Nah.
Go ahead, so. Yes, Scarlett.
Be ready, Mia. Be ready, Mia.
Go ahead, Scarlett.
Call it, Mia. Call it, Mia. Mia.
Daddy, you gotta be there.
Help her.
Come on, Mia.
Call it, Mia.
Go ahead, Sophie. Go ahead, Sophie. You hit it out.
White throw.
You got it, baby.
Put it back. Drop.
Get in
Good
there,
throw,
Mia.
so.
That's on you, Mia.
There we go.
Oh!
Go, baby!
Maylin! Oh, Maylin!
Oh, that's such a good player.
That way on that side. Mia, do the tap on that shot, on that angle. Cabrera, drop back where you're lying.
Oh, yeah, Daddy left, huh? Yes. I don't see it.
Hey, ref.
Sure, it was Daddy. Should have had him last year.
Refs up? Yep. Centerman. Right, Tessa.
Alive, Nate.
Right there, Tessa.
You ready, Mia? Come on.
Good pass, though. That's you, baby.
Get in there, Mia. Right there in the middle, Mia. Get up.
Let her hit me out. Let her hit me out.
Call him, Mia. Call him, Mia. Get in there, Mia.
Come on, Soph. Soph, you can score, baby. Got it, Star got it. Go ahead, Soph. Go ahead, Soph.
Billy ball. Pass and walk around. Come on, Tessa. On her toes. Be on her back.
Right there, little, right there.
Come on, Eddie.
Go, Eddie.
Third one.
Yeah, girl.
On her toes. Be on her back.
Right there, little, right there.
Come on, Eddie.
Go, Eddie.
Third one.
Yeah, girl.
Mia. Hold the ball, Mia.
You okay?
Oh. Well, you have to leave,
Yeah, go towards Mia. Go towards the other Mia. Yeah.
I can't leave. I'm recording.
Ball gets played. You run to the last
I'm telling you, I'm recording. You're gonna have to leave.
She's doing this.
2 minutes, okay? When it's done, and we get a break, we run over there, okay? Okay?
Girls, you cannot dribble on the okay, you have to pass back. Right here, good.
Oh, nice. Call it, Mia, call it. Call your team.
Minutes underneath all that stuff. You gotta move the stuff around. Come on, Bree.
Can you drive over?
Be ready, be ready, be ready.
Up there, Mia.
Come on, so. Again! Come on, Gabby. Go ahead, Soph.
Good, so.
Go ahead, Soph. Stay with it, Soph.
Get under, Mia.
Drop back wide, drop back. Open up right away. Watch the ball while you go. Now we shift, now we shift.
Get up, man, get up.
Be an option.
Get in there,
Yeah.
Offside.
Outside. It's offside. It was offside.
That would have been.
It wouldn't have counted. It was offside.
Drop back wide, drop back. Or open up right. Defense, I need you at the halfway line. I need you at the half defense. Or out wide, yeah. There, that's you. I need you on the half.
Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, Gabby.
Put the hands down, Mabe. Back up, Red. Back up. Mabe, back up. Other way. Yeah, that way. There we go. Libby, that's C.
other left foot. You have the other left foot. Okay. You have the other left foot.
One person has the pressure.
Get up, Nate.
One person has the pressure. Yes, babe.
Come on, Bree.
Delay.
Good job.
Well done. Come on, midfield.
Good job, Mia. On the ball. On the ball.
Sophie, be an option.
Go, keep going. Go, Cora.
Open up for Sophie, Mia.
Now we get mid. Olivia. Yeah, there you go.
Nice, Nate. Go right through, Nate.
Go,
Go. Keep it in. Go through. Great effort, Nate. Great effort.
Hold on, Soph, hold on.
Watch the line, Nate. Pull up. Watch 7. Right up.
Get in the middle, Mia. Help your teammate.
Good throw. All right.
Good try, Soph.
Run, Nate. Go. Turn around, Nate. Take it, Nate.
Go ahead, Gabby.
Stay with it.
Not always forward, Gabby. Get his face work. Just run when I'm looking up. Find her feet. Yeah, shoot through. Not always back here. Play it was. Are you right back?
Go, Dad. Redhook.
You heard that, Eddie? I think you are. 2 minutes, girl. Yes, he's right back. Okay, that's your throw. Draw back, defense, draw back.
She wants to be fast.
Nope, that's you, Daria. Draw back.
Go, May.
Call her, Mia.
Turn. Talk, Stella.
Go, May.
All right, that's you.
Good job. Nice one.
Go, May. Get in there. Go, May.
Go ahead, Soph.
Nice.
Stay with us, Soph.
Good hustle.
Lucy!
Oh.
Nice.
Scarlett, you need to talk in line with Nancy.
Oh, come on.
Who's back there?
Where's the defense?
Okay. It's supposed to be Sophie and Gabby and Gabby and Brianna. So Brianna, she was just going number 9. That's what her name is.
So he changed the...
Yeah, he changed to
Defense, back
so
up
it's
top.
defense.
Defense, drop.
Defense is 4. Come on, Gab. Go ahead, Soph. You gotta talk.
Oh, sorry, Mia. Fine, that was my bad.
So you stay back here all by yourself?
Great half, girls.
Close when I got married to Johnny. And then 2014 had this thing was born.
Millie and Olivia, one of you's on the wrong side.
And then
Let's have Olivia L.
I need you to talk.
Olivia L. Right mid. Millie, left
that time ago was 2016, so 8 years.
Keep you ready?
Olivia.
Keep you ready?
Back in California.
Player.
They left me there.
Okay. Forward, press it. Forward, Mia. I mean, more, Sophia.
Guaranteed.
You're Cabrera.
Guaranteed, yeah.
She was good.
Wake up and like,
Sophia, you see how the ball's on that side?
go, score.
She got it?
Now the ball's on that side. You shoot over. You gotta fall down.
Like plays
Right now,
okay,
go.
practice, I don't have to play it all. Here we go, score.
She got it?
Job, Scarlett.
Woo! Where's the momentum? If I'm not screaming, nobody's screaming? Like, what's going on?
I mean, within 5 seconds.
I don't think anyone was paying attention.
I hope Sophie scores. Feels like crap. That'll be a good lift for her.
Yeah, I think.
What's your score? 5-1?
4-1. 4-0. Yeah,
Gabby, good.
Push up, Mia.
Come on, Gabby!
Good save, keep it.
Gabby again! Yeah, Gabby!
Way to stick with it.
Push up, Mia.
Come on, Gabby!
Good save, keep it.
Gabby again! Yeah, Gabby!
Way to stick with it.
She followed through, she.
FSA, I need the goalie to touch the ball now. Gabby, the goalie has to touch the ball now. Everyone kind of get a touch.
Oh, what is it, 6-0? 5? Oh, because he's playing keep away. Why is he saying keep away?
I guess.
I think after 7 is like
If that's the 7 is keep away, right?
And then you step off so hard, right?
so they say that, you know, they say they're still fit for that.
Yeah, I got it.
Take that away from her.
I got it.
Or Mia.
I get what he's doing. That's why he's so...
Emery, come on, Emery, up, up. Blakely's on ball.
It's goalie! They're playing keep away now.
Pressure, no pressure, Brianna! Brianna, there's no pressure!
Keep away from them.
Blakely, get on side. Blakely, you're up. Everyone touches this ball. Everyone touches this ball. Everybody. Even if they steal it. Remember, we didn't touch it. Behind that side. There you go. That's your trophy. More, let's show down the line. Blakely, up.
Is that a lean under the umbrella?
Yes, it is. I think that's why he has to put it in.
Blakely, not you. Billy, drop. Cora, drop.
Now we go.
Go ahead, Soph.
Hey, make the run. There you go, yo. Get there. Good hustle from her up.
Good job, Sophie.
Who's paying attention?
Lucy, let's open up. Are you going to help her, Cora? Are you going to help her?
All right, so.
Good shot, Soph.
So, Emery, is that your mark? Were you too far behind? Are you too far back?
Goalkeeper.
Who's outside there?
Nice.
One more.
Whoa.
All right, good job.
Good job there, yeah. Who's outside there?
Nice.
One more.
Whoa.
All right, good job.
Good job there, yeah. Everyone gets the ball.
Yeah, that's what he said. Everyone gets, they're not listening.
Stop, lady.
They're fast.
There's up.
Whatever you just put together. The camera's close. I bet you're gonna go to face Scarlett. Scarlett's face is good. Yeah, it does. Sophie's body language.
We win that ball, girls? Somebody's got a call ball and step.
Go get it, May. Watch your back, Toby.
All right, Bree.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Bree.
Get off to the side of the goal.
No pressure. Go ahead, Bree. No, they're not.
Man.
Go ahead, Soph. Oh, nice, Soph.
Get in there, little. Call it, Mia. There you go. Keep going. Good job.
Billy, we got to stretch.
Don't score. Don't score.
Babe, let's not steal the ball from our own teammate. Percy, let's get that ball. Fiona's on ball. Fiona,
Get it,
ball.
Em.
Go ahead, Soph.
Yeah, May, stay with it.
Stay with it, Soph.
Get some touches, little.
Go ahead, Soph.
Point through.
But they could.
People.
Oh, okay.
Get up, May. Get up.
Oh, nice contact. Good for her. Get in there, little.
Where's Blakely?
Good job, Addie. Go ahead, Mia, pass it.
Get up, May. Get up.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, Mia, go!
You're so cute.
No, outside, Stella.
You're shooting, Mia. Go ahead, Mia! They're trying to set her up.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Mia! They're
That
trying to
was,
set her up.
yeah, that's so
They're trying to set her up.
sweet.
So remember who I said takes the corner.
That was so
Billy, the right mid, the right wing, or the box. Hey, Billy. Over by Blakely. Top of box. Percy.
Really good call.
On the PK spot.
I love Nirvana.
Blakely, top of box. Playing forward.
Come on, Scar.
Get
Let's
in
see if they
there,
can pull off this.
right there, mama.
Now let's stretch right away. Blakely, are you moving?
Good job, little.
Blakely, I need you to stretch. Blakely. Stretch. I need you to find pockets of space so we can have
Call it, Mia.
Sophie, that was you!
Open up,
She don't feel good. Look at
Job,
her.
goalie. Yeah, everybody wants plays.
Fiona, show for her. No hands.
Go, little.
Go, Mia! Yeah! Yeah!
Fiona, show for her. No hands.
Go, little.
Go, Mia! Yeah! Yeah! Good job! Now they can't score. They tried hard, too.
Good job, mama.
Yours.
FNA. We have to continue our passing. If it gets stolen, we gotta do it again.
David, oh my God. I do so.
No.
Addie.
Addie.
Can we start it off?
No pressure right now. No pressure, right?
Charge her.
Okay, Alma came through on the floor. I stopped it.
Yeah, make the run. Run, there. Don't walk. No walking.
Don't score, Maylin.
What's your line?
Don't score, Maylin.
Oh, thank you.
Keep it full.
The goal is good. She's not scared.
Good try.
They can't score though.
Outside. Get out of there, guys. Everyone touches the ball. Remember now.
Fight for it, man.
Now everyone touches it.
Gabby, play back! Play back! Mia!
Drop back, Nirvana.
Drop back, girls. Go ahead, Chase.
Go get it. Get it there fast. Take it.
No, don't score.
Do they know they can't score?
I don't know. Go ahead, go. Go ahead, Milani.
Charge it.
Go ahead, Bree. Go ahead, Gabby. Don't score, Gabby. You can't score.
Come on, girls. Come on. Decide.
Don't score.
Someone need to get the ball. Hear it. Scoreline, your defense. Back towards the goalie.
Go with it.
Go ahead, Milani.
Play it back, right? Do that, right?
Water break.
Water break, guys.
2.5 minutes.
They started late. They started at like 2:35, so they got a few more minutes.
Everyone gets this ball. If it gets
They
stolen.
started after this. I think that's how they started.
Keep that on
It's only at
half. Keep
1:44.
that on half. Everyone has to touch the ball.
They got like
Keep it on
10
half. Now we got to restart.
Restart.
Ladies, spread out, ladies. Spread out.
Because I think people, they can score them. So he wants the girls to pass. He passes passing for one another. They should let them score. That way they can score. That way like somebody so free to try to get a goal.
They can't.
No. It's 7-0. Then they can score. So for every goal the other team gets there, then they're allowed to score more. What's the score again? 7-0.
So it's 3 Addie, 1 Tyler, 1 Mia,
I got the break now.
Say that one more time.
1 Mia.
1 for Gabby.
I got
1 for Gabby. That's 5.
Scarlett, Gabby, Daria, Mia.
Charlotte, Gabby, Darby, and Lisa.
Mia, and then Addie at 3. That's seven.
Yeah, that's 7. Oh, Daria. Yeah, so, and then Addie hit the first 3.
Yeah.
Her and Sophie were on fire. So we just kept passing.
Charger, Nate.
I think she said switch it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't think there's a bridge yet.
Yeah, get to it. Don't wait for it.
Gonna sit.
Go ahead, do it. Wait for them to get the ball over here. Let them score. Girls, let them score. Sophie Ocean. Don't score! Don't!
Cut it. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop.
You're not supposed to score. Yeah, they don't even know. You can't score.
Boring. I know.
Outside.
It's almost done. It's almost done, okay? 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
Amelia.
Hi, son.
Ask her how school was. She was like, you're annoying.
No. How was school?
I think she's more excited on our walk.
To go than school. I felt so bad. It was show and tell on Friday and Leia couldn't go. And she was like, people that bring her like kitty. They would like bring something that makes you feel happy and safe. I think there's like some stores that they could play.
Oh, stop it.
Because they don't have anybody on the top.
Imagine if these girls do an auto goal.
I think they should let them remember last game, one of the games, just ground just sit there and let it go in so they could play. The baby was hungry. You can't take money, you can't take food from the baby, you're gonna get a big boo-boo in your eye.
Run, please. Run. Run.
That's it.
I
Your mom-
guess it's my baby.
Oh, that's your baby? Okay.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Are you ready to be a big sister?
Oh my
I think I'm not gonna like this butt.
She's not gonna wipe his butt, alright?
Wherever we go and see a baby, she's like,
You're gonna be a big sister.
Are you gonna carry him? He's gonna be too heavy?
I hope so. I love fat babies. I do.
You know, Sophia was a fat baby.
Chubby baby.
She had rolls. Like the Michelin.
Good pressure, Millie.
Good job, Sophia.
Go in.
Get it
Go, go, go.
Millie, go. Charge the goalie.
Go get that. Come on. Wake up. Good step up.
Win it.
Emily, you're a mini. Win it again. Go on, Millie.
Get up.
The camera's up there.
Touch.
Mom, show me the sky.
Charge it!
Ball two, ladies.
Oh, she's
Passage,
really
you get ball. Get there, Stella. That'll be on your toes, Fiona. That's why we have to be on our toes. Yes, Christian. Sit outside mid.
Put on my lady there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
Refs up. Ref.
Kevin, get up!
Daddy, wake up.
I think he's gonna see how the girls
Yes,
play.
Mr. Mahoney.
What they do.
Oh, Maylene, sorry. Mayleen's right here. Girls, we have a corner. What are we doing? Get closer to her, Stella. Get close back. Go. That's in your back.
Daddy, can you wake up right now?
What is it?
We're not looking for Redhook.
Go, little.
Go ahead, Mia.
Use the space.
Call it, Mama. That's the There you go. Good job, little.
Yeah, use the space.
Now you gotta read.
Why are you gonna pick that up?
Spread out, Mia. Spread out.
Billy, you're upside.
Ooh,
Media.
go, little, go.
Fiona, drop. Fiona, drop. Percy, drop. Percy, drop. Yeah, you have to drop and open up.
Nice pressure, Mia.
Go ahead, Maylin.
Yes. Again, Stella. Touch the space. Touch the space. Touch the space. Look at all the space. Attack the space right here.
Oh, that's why I have you.
Fiona, you're too high. Drop hard. Stella, drop.
He's young, but
Drop
kid.
the light.
I have to listen to mom.
Turn. Billy, you're way upside. Billy, you understand? So if you don't have three players, then the other team is when they're going
Oh,
Harley.
Thank you, Billy. You have keys for us well. Start it.
So one kid is gonna do a mistake and it's gonna be further.
Get out there. Right? Tell her turn. Right? And watch her.
Father, this one is slow. I was like, damn. Well, you yell at him to be slow. That's why he got stepped on. It's like, damn. What's that? Next one, Amir. What do you win? That'll be 3 tournaments. Kevin got a trophy.
No.
Yes, Henry. Talk Percy.
It's
You're
void.
upside unless you take a step in front of that player.
Yeah, Mia, yeah.
Good job, Mia.
Go ahead, man.
No, we're leaving. It's over.
So then fake the pass, Ollie. Use your face. Go, ladies. Go.
So why is it not going to the middle?
Because nobody's started yet. What's this in your face so you don't do it when you get older?
Take it, Mia. Take it out. Oh, nice. Nice, Mia.
Don't just kick it.
That was a trip. That's a penalty shot.
Scarlett and Gabby, set a wall up. Blakely, you're going to take the catch. Everyone else push out.
What was
Push out.
Come on, girl!
Don't tighten up.
not scored this one.
They're really close to the house.
Don't score. You can't score. Yep.
Fiona, dead. Fiona, dead. Yes, yes, every touch space, touch space. Don't even slow down. You have to touch space and then you chase it. One of you, not 3 or 4 of you, one of you. Fiona, drop. Fiona, what are you doing this high up?
Nice, Mia. Good job,
Good,
Mia.
Mia.
I like that.
All right, they won.
Good game, girl.
Good job, everybody.
Oh man. I think I sweated more than them.
Yeah, but you sweating.
Hi, sis.
You have to talk like this.
What do you mean you don't know how to talk like this?